Sorry guys, hey, this is gonna be the third voltage regulator that I put on this car. So I'm getting them from Napa. The only thing, guys, is that finally talked to, man, forgot his name, at Napa, but he looked around and he found me one of these off of a 68. So I'm gonna see if this is gonna work, guys. All right, so the other two had those fuses or capacitors on them here. So the 68 looks just like the one that came off the parts car. Everything's the same, but it don't have the fuse things on here like the one that was originally on this car. So I'm gonna see if this one is gonna work, guys. So I'm gonna change this out first. And I'm still gonna keep this one. I'm gonna paint it. I want to keep it just, just in case, but it's good to have 2 or 3 of any of this stuff, guys. So let me come in and put this one on and see if it's gonna work. We'll get a battery, put it in here, and see if this thing ain't been fired up for a while. We'll see if it'll fire up. Alright, so the Wildcat ain't been fired up for quite a few weeks here. We'll go in here and see what's going to happen. Alright guys, so it ain't been fired up for a while. I don't know where I'm getting that dragging from, if that's from the battery, but it could be from the starter. But I think I put a new starter on here. But I don't know where I'm getting that dragging from. It could just be from the battery though. But so anyway guys, we started. You see, I don't have to hit the gas after it started. So, that guy at the carb lab, he rebuilt a pretty doggone good carb, I'm telling you, because that's just one time I fired that baby up. And once she started, I haven't hit the accelerator yet, guys. There ain't no editing being done. But now, let me go over here and take this battery post off. Let me look at the dash. Alright, so the charging light ain't on in there, guys. Alright guys, so the charging light ain't on in there now. So let me unhook this. If it keeps running, that means my charging problem is solved. So it's still running, guys. It's a little different, but it's still running. A little change in that. So I'm gonna run this with this alternator on here. I'm gonna see. But so far the charging light ain't on, so that's good, guys. So guys, if you're having that problem, if you're having that problem out your 70, 69, 70 Buick, regardless of what it is, and your original one didn't have the fuses or whatever that is back there, should have just, this is like the one that came off. Well, this is the one that came off the parts car, but it ain't the one that was originally I got with this car. But with that one on there, it wouldn't charge. But with this one being just like the one off the parts car, and this one I just got from Napa, it's off of, he wrote on there, you know, you can see that 69 the Sabre, and it's working just fine, guys. So hopefully that helps somebody out, you know, but it solved my problem here, I think. So I haven't hit the accelerator yet. But that baby ran idle all that time. Man, the Carb Lab, man. You gotta check out my video, the Carb Lab. He's the man, I'm telling you. Baby running good. She just ready for some paint. She's just ready for some paint. But I don't know. I'm gonna try to get her done over the winter, I think. So, hey, she's charging now, guys. So alright, guys. So with that, now I got smoke. So I was trying to see where it's burning at. I unhooked the battery. Trying to see what's burning in here when I hooked that other voltage regulator up. I don't know if that's the problem. I'm gonna hook the other voltage regulator back up and see if I have the same problem on another day. But I'm gonna keep coming in, guys. I'm gonna just show you what's going on so I can make these mistakes, and either I'm gonna help you out and I'll see what's going on, you know, that way you're not making the mistakes and I'm going through everything, and you don't have to. There's a lot of smoke in here, guys, so I don't know what was burning, but they never did that before. So that 68 voltage regulator just totally wrong, and just keep picking away at this, guys, till I solve this problem. So all right, I'll come back.